You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, and we'll be looking at how to say more names and vocabulary that too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned, loads to learn on this channel. Shashank, Shashank, a name of Indian origin, Shashank. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.